and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend.
Look, we are almost there. My grandmother's house is on that hill over there.
Oh, it is not far. Let's walk faster.
After their long journey, Mwiza, Zuba, and Miss Clock have finally reached grandmother's house.
Good evening, grandmother.
Good evening, Mwiza. How did you sleep?
I slept very well. Grandmother, Miss Clock and Zuba taught me how to tell time.
Oh, that is very nice of them.
I can now tell time. Let me tell you the time.
Yes.
The hour hand is very close to 6, but it is still in 5. The minute hand is pointing at 9.
Wow! You know the hour hand and the minute hand? That is very good. Miss Clock and Zuba are good teachers.
And Mwiza is a very good student. She learns very quickly.
When the minute hand is at 9, it means 45 minutes have passed and 15 minutes are remaining to get to a full hour.
What do we say when 15 minutes have passed?
We say a quarter past.
And what do we say when 15 minutes are remaining?
A quarter remaining.
Good girl. You were almost right. But we say a quarter to.
A quarter to? It is a quarter to 6.
Yes! Hello?
Hello, Mrs. Kwesi. Thank you for coming. We missed you.
Thank you, my dear. I missed you too. I'll be here all night.
Mwiza shares with her grandmother beautiful stories as they wait for dinner. Then they share a delicious meal at 8 o'clock. We are happy every time.